Hello, you beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Amaka OK in the building. So in today's video, we're gonna be making this beautiful crochet wig using braiding hair. So I used the Darling Superstar braiding hair in the color 30 to achieve this. You can use whatever color you love, whatever color you prefer, but this is the color I chose to go with because it sits so well with my skin. I love the way it turned out on my skin. It looks so lush. Yeah, this is the first time I'm making a crochet wig, and I'm so happy about how it turned out. It turned out so well, you know. I mean, it actually beat my expectation. I'm really excited about this wig. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this look, please sit back, relax and enjoy, and do not forget to like this video. Okay, it's gonna help me, you know, a lot. And also do not forget to subscribe. Please click that button and also turn on your post notifications for any new videos I post. And yeah, let's head on to the video. For this hair, we're gonna be using the bendy rollers. Yeah, we're gonna be using some crochet pin as well, the hair net, and then the star of the show, which happens to be this Darling Superstar hair in the shade, or color rather, 30. This is really long. I actually cut it into two. As you can see here, there were actually two bundles in the pack, but I used only one because I felt like one was going to be enough for the style I was going for. So moving on, yeah, you know that you're going to have to pluck the ends of the hair like so. Like you can see, I've already plucked like half of it already, so I'm trying to pluck the other half. Yeah, just to give it that feather-like look in the end, because I do not want any blunt look at the end. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I'm just basically plucking the hair to make it look, yeah, just like this. This is what I was trying to achieve. Yeah, and yeah, the other end can look funky and crazy, but yeah, all you just have to do is brush it out like so. Very easy. You don't have to do any plucking anymore. Just once you brush it out, the feathers just start forming. So this is what both ends would look like once you're done brushing. Yeah, this is what both ends would look like, and yeah, this is what we're working with. So now the next thing is to pick out the quantity that I would need to make my twist on the bendy rollers. And what I'm doing is taking that piece of hair and then placing it on a bendy roller and then twisting it before I go round the bendy roller like so. Yeah, I'll twist it and then I'll go around the bendy roller. Just watch. I believe it's more explanatory when you watch it. Yeah, like so. Twist and go around. Yeah, twist and go around, just like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep doing this till I get to the very end, and then what I'll do is basically I'll just tighten the ends with the little hair that is left. Yeah. So next I have a bowl of hot water, so I'll be placing all the twisted hair in this bowl. So what I'm doing actually is, once I have this hair in the hot water, What the hot water does is to retain the curl on this hair once this hair dries off. So that's the purpose of the hot water. So after leaving the hair to dry for about a whole day, this is what it looks like when it's dry. So I'll go ahead and loosen the curl from the bendy roller, and yeah, this is what it looks like after I have loosened the curl. This is how curly it is. So next I'm going to be taking this piece of hair and then I'll be separating it into about 3 to 4 parts. Yeah, so the reason why I'm separating it into different parts, or rather 3 to 4 parts, is because I want to have this hair looking full. So time to install the hair. So what I just did was to pick a piece from the separated one and then crochet it into the hairnet like so. So guys, you can notice that I actually separated the hair when I was crocheting. I kind of gave them some spaces. Why I'm doing this is because I want to be sure that the hair goes round the net before I start, filling in every other space. So I'm just going to install the pieces randomly to make sure that everything, goes round. Then whatever is left, I'll just use it to fill in the other spaces, if you know what I mean, guys. So this is the final look here. This is everything there is. So what I'm going to do now is I'll try to find the front part of the hair and trim it and cut it sort of, because I'm going for some bangs in front. So what I'll just do is I'll trim the front a bit, so whenever I'm wearing the wig I'll know where exactly the front is. So moving on, this is what the inside construction looks like, just very basic. And yeah, it's time to wear the wig and see what it looks like on our head. So I didn't have to do much in terms of trimming because I had already trimmed the hair when it was on the mannequin. Yeah, so I probably just adjust it to my liking. Yeah, and use my hands to just adjust it to my liking. And yeah, if I feel like there's any need for me to kind of like trim it more, I'll do so. Yeah, and yeah, that's just all there is to this hair. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this video, and please, if you did, do not forget to leave a comment down for me, and also do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.